Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this 2020 GMC Sierra key fob here. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here on this side you see a small button. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And now when you remove the mechanical key, turn this fob like this, and this here is the side with the buttons facing down. This here is the back piece. Alright, and now right in the center you see this hole. And now take the tip of the mechanical key, insert the tip right in this hole over here, and when you insert it, twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. And when you separate this fob into two pieces, right after that, here you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver again, insert it here, and push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this, and also make sure this side here is the negative side that facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly, like this. All corners must match perfectly, and now just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again, put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning, and right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.